In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on ThinkorSwim. So this is actually very simple. First, you have to log into the ThinkorSwim website via your account, of course, so your username or ID and password. And then once you've done that, you'll see this layout. Now to actually go to trades, you want to go to trade over here at the left-hand side. And in here, you want to find a symbol. So depending on what you want to trade, you want to find that symbol because Forex always comes in pairs. So for example, if I type in USD, there we go. As you can see, I have the options of Forexes between USD and then the Swiss franc and then USD and Japanese yen and then USD and Canadian dollar. Now these are the ones currently available to me. For you, it may be a bit different in case you are watching this in the future. Now you can also do, like, for example, euros or whatever you want to do, or we can do GBP, so Great British Pounds, etc. So as you can see over here, you have a lot of different forexes. You just have to know their index, so basically their symbol over here, and once you type that in, you'll be able to see it. Once you just click on it like this, there we go. As you can see, this is now your Forex, and you can just start trading it via the buy and sell button over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.